guys, it's Ron here again, and just coming to talk to you again about the new upcoming, much anticipated Autel Evo, which by now you might have heard of the actual official word from Autel Robotics directly of the release date, which is really soon. Today's May 30th, and I'm shooting this video because I have a little bit of a surprise for you guys. We're going to be doing an unboxing of a new Evo. Get a call this morning from DroneWorks that says, hey Ron, take a drive down to the Seattle area, which I did, and we got an Evo ready to be unboxed. So real quick, before I go inside my house and do the unboxing, it tells you right there, has Autel's information, has the camera, vision sensors, flight modes, whatnot on here, the remote control, which has a 3.3-inch display, LED display, and right here, the front of the box, right there. Guys, I am super excited to do the unboxing for you. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so made it back in the house, got my camera set up, and got it ready to go. So go ahead and get the unboxing going here and see what the contents look like inside. So again, I'd like to thank Autel and DroneWorks for trusting me to keep a secret, essentially, huh? So there you go. So right there, marked on the box, we have, obviously this is a controller and this is your plugs. So check this out. There you go. Look at that. It has nice little Autel Robotics stickers on the packaging in there. Look at this. Here we go. This is pretty nice. Has the traditional orange right there in the trim. And see that? Like see this? Check this out, guys. It like literally snaps into place. Really nice. So, and from the last one that I flew, the texture is different. This was more shiny, but now there's a texture on there on the handles. So like, it feels different. Feels good. Feels good though. So let's put that in here. I know you guys want to see the drone, don't you? Check this out. I do too. Check this out. In here, your plugs. There. There it comes. All nice, wrapped in styrofoam inside the box. Interested, I'm not seeing a case here, which I think we'll check here in a minute, but I'm not seeing a case. So, propellers are wrapped in plastic, as you see. There we go, guys. Here's the new Evo. Take some of the plastic off here. See the propellers. You know, the one thing I noticed is it sits way high off the ground, guys. So like, any of you guys who've flown the Mavic, like literally the bottom actually will touch grass or actually be on the ground. It's kind of slanted like this, where this has a little bit more, higher ground clearance, if you will. You're also going to notice when you compare the two, if you have a Mavic, that this is a little bit heavier, which is going to be a great thing, especially if you're going to be fighting any wind. The folding on it is completely different. Just it folds in, just boom, boom. Just like that. Just, I literally just fold them in like that. Typical gimbal guard on there. But guys, really, really nice drone. We can get into more detail later, but this is just the unboxing. You can see the sensors up there and whatnot. And then in here, I'm assuming it's just extra props. And your cords. That's exactly what that is. You have your cords, you have your user manual, and you get 2 extra props. So you're probably gonna, I recommend ordering some extra props if you can. You get 1 battery. So again, hop on the link below, guys. I know that DroneWorks is going to have a ton of them in stock and batteries, and they're going to get a bunch of Evos as well. Guys, this is going to hit the market really quick. It's going to go out with a bang. Great for search and rescue, great for your regular hobby, and it flies great. As you guys seen in my other videos, and I've flown them. It flies really well. But guys, I'd like to thank you guys for watching again. Again, click the link below and order it from DroneWorks. I'm telling you guys, you won't be disappointed.